this video, I'm gonna show you how to create that crazy cool Mr. Beast style laser effect right inside Photoshop. This effect is one of my favorites. I love it, you'll love it, and yep, even Mr. Beast would probably say, bro, that's fire. All right, enough talking, let's jump into Photoshop before this laser burns my screen. So first things first, I'm using this awesome Mr. Beast thumbnail as a reference. It was made by his super talented design team. Like, these guys probably dream in Photoshop. Now, inside my little Photoshop playground, I'll start by creating the base of the laser on a brand new layer. Let's draw a long white line, make it thin, something like 15 pixels in height. Next, let's add a bit of Gaussian blur. You can play with the numbers, but a radius of 5 looks just perfect to me. Now it's time for some color. Create a new layer, change the blend mode to linear dodge, add, and pick that spicy red color from the reference thumbnail. Grab your soft brush, keep the flow super low, around 5%, and just paint over that white line. Gentle, like you're painting a donut with jam. Now, hey, let's take it one step further. Create another linear dodge add layer, use a bigger soft brush, and paint the same line once more. This one will give it that perfect outer glow. Now, if you zoom into Mr. Beast's thumbnail, you'll see tons of tiny glowing sparks flying around. And I'm like, yeah, I want that too. So I'll grab this orange sparks graphic and switch the blend mode to screen, then position it right over the laser. Looks awesome, right? But wait, too many random colors? No worries, here's a pro tip. Just press Shift and U, and boom, all the extra colors vanish, like magic. All right, now turn all your layers into a smart object, set the blend mode to screen, remove the bottom black light layer, and there you go. Your laser effect is ready. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, next time, I'm firing this laser straight at your screen.